Hello dears, and welcome to the channel Benidorm by Anna. It's Sunday, it's 12th of January. Welcome to Benidorm's beach, terraces and bars. We're walking on sunshine should be probably the title of today's video. It's so nice, so warm outside, and even though it might seem like a lot of people have departed the previous days and weeks after all the numerous celebrations and winter holidays and festivities that we've had here in Benidorm and Costa Blanca, Spain overall, I would say. But it is really busy here still. It is Sunday, as you could have heard at the beginning of the video. It's 12th of January, so we are heading technically towards the mid-month already. And it's just half of January and February left, and then it's gonna be the calendar spring. Time simply flies, and we will not even be able to notice, as after all these numerous sales that we're having right now of all the winter products, accessories, clothing, shoes, etc. By the way, it's a nice moment to actually grab something if in your country it's still very cold and you're here on holidays. If you have a spare space in the luggage, you could bring something nice from here with discounted prices, and quality of a lot of the products here is really good. So we will not even be able to blink probably, and shortly it's going to be the beginning of summer season, which starts with the Easter holidays. And once again, non-stop tourism. We did not even stop, not a single day just yet. The terraces here in the traditional city center towards the old town are starting to open up, but the ones that are located by the beachfront, these terraces, boy, these should be busy today. That is where we're actually heading. We're heading to see if there's any new businesses around. What is the atmosphere on the terraces of Benidorm? Different types of bars, cafeterias, restaurants as well, because it is midday, it's already meal time. So we'll see what's going on. We'll see if they've increased the prices. Maybe there are some more interesting changes happening right now here in the area. Two of our favorite cafeterias are located right here on the beachfront. On the left, we have Cafe Rico. They've opened their own churros place too, which is situated right nearby. And then on the right side, we have Cafe Nabab. Two of them are really popular to have a giant piece of terrace available for them and some indoor space too. And as you can see, all these places, boy, they are busy. There's not a single free table left. Probably there's more, maybe one small one. There's one small one. Hopefully these people will see the video where they're featured. Probably they will be looking for it because they know that it's for YouTube. We'll see. If you've seen this video and you're on it, say hi here in the comment section. So this is here the cafeteria Nabab. Very nice for drinks, for snacks. They have sandwiches, they have coffee, tea selection, different types of drinks, cocktails, etc. And it is absolutely full. Just look at this. Not a single free table. This is what the terraces are looking like right now on a Sunday. Definitely the city is looking busy. There's many people having a lovely walk by the Levante beach promenade, and it is because it is sunny, it is nice, and it is really warm out here. The Levante beach has some lifeguard here. There are some people inside of the sea. There's people playing, children with toys in the sand, people that are just on these sunbeds relaxing and enjoying a day off. This is a brilliant time to come here on holidays, by the way. As you can see, winter here is definitely absolutely different from what you might expect in slightly northern countries or not as touristic Mediterranean countries on the outside. This is what winter looks like right here. It barely rains. There might be clouds some of the days in particular, but for the rest of it, this is what you might expect when you come here on holidays. It's no need to bring sunscreen with you any longer. Unless you have a really sensitive skin and you're planning to stay on the terraces like it's your second home, then maybe yes. But if it's not the case, then you should be fine. Many people still are wearing shorts, t-shirts, and I get it. If I would be coming from a cold country, 20 degrees outside for us would definitely look like summer. This is a great atmosphere here in the area today. And the remaining part of people probably is on the Sunday's market situated in the Rincon de Loix that is open every Wednesday and Sunday, and even on holidays, unless it's pouring rain and it's very, very bad wind and it's just like an awful weather, then probably not. But all the rest of the times, it will be open and it is available for you guys. Slightly oriented to tourists, so obviously it might be slightly more expensive, but for the rest part of it, it is a great market to explore. People are even hiding below the palm trees. People bring their summer attributes like wind. We say to it cortavientos, which is wind cutter. I know there is a technical name for it, but right now it's not on our minds. People are wearing sunglasses and just having a lovely walk by the beach, doing some sports or searching for a place where they could get some nice drink or cocktail. The Tiki Town right here, what is it? Jugs, Fat Frog, Venom. Are these like shots or are these new cocktails that they're just creating? That is strange. Tiki combo, nachos, 2 vodka and Red Bulls, 2 Jager bombs, 7 euros. Pizzas they have here because they have a pizzeria right on the corner. Tiki Pizza it's called. See how warm it is? People are even shirtless walking down the Levante beach. That is how warm it actually is here right now. People are getting some pizzas. We're getting hungry too, by the way. In the next videos, we will show you some food places here in the area, so stay tuned for these. Some cars are passing by. Obviously, you need to be careful because it's pedestrian priority here in the area. And nowadays, there is regulations. Unless you live here, you shouldn't be passing down this street. Manila menu. Look at this cafe or restaurant. Better to say Manila. They have a lot of nice menus. The one for 22.50 per person is a menu for 2 people. This is a menu of the day: starter, salad or a seafood soup, vegetable stew or codfish, 17.50. Plus you have bread and coffee or dessert or coffee and a drink. This is not bad. This is the average price for a daily menu, although I must say that if you go away from the Levante beach, you can find it slightly cheaper. The Guinness bar, what is it? Cash only. There's 2 giant signs. Oh, wow. They actually say that it's cash only. They are not accepting any kind of card payments at all. Just cash, just physical money. Wow, that is a strange thing because they did accept cards before. If I remember it correctly, I wonder why. I think there was something on it. Some more offers here. You can see 2 pints for 90, so it's like 2.45 a pint. Pizzas and hamburgers here. Pizza margherita, pepperoni capricciosa, tuna pizza, hamburgers, the special one of Cool Lounge, 10 euros. Huh, that's interesting. That's not a bad price, I would say. But that is so interesting. Cash only. Wow. That is insane. Actually, I did see it in some places. We did talk about it in one of our videos here on the channel about the top 5, I think it was, scams or things that you need to take care of and you need to be cautious with when you're coming here on holidays to Benidorm. And one of the things was that nightclubs sometimes charge you more. It's not the owner's fault, but like some workers do charge you more and then they take out of there. You know, they're trying to like scam people. Not all of these places, obviously, but maybe that is the reason why. I wonder if more places are doing this or if it's just the Guinness bar. If it's more places doing this, then it's something global that happened. But if it's just this one, then something might have happened just there so that the management would decide, go back to the good old days and accept cash only payments. Not a lot of people will like it, obviously, but it is what it is. The terrace was full in any case, so I don't think people are actually bothered by it. And once you enter inside, you're clearly informed that it's cash only, so it should be fine. We have Penelope Beach Club on the left side. They are open up, but usually they're more popular at night, not during the day, because it's like a night music place. Then we have some more White Lion Place, usually very, very busy too. They've added a lot of different offers here, new drinks, coffee with Baileys, with rum, and a lot of other alcohol drinks that you can mix with coffee. We don't drink, so I'm not too sure what can you mix, but at least brandy and rum for sure. Heartbreak out here. I love this place because it's just like a typical place, like a typical American. There is a giant car inside of it, and it always draws attention from the people from the outside. It's just a nice place, and they have some good prices, so people are always visiting it, and it's usually quite full. Pinocchio Pizza, bar, cafe, restaurant, all in one, because they've put it all together. Also quite busy today. Everything is busy. The terraces of the bars, cafeterias, and restaurants. The beach promenade here on the Levante beach. The beachfront itself, with people having a lovely walk and enjoying today's day. There's many tourists, there's couples, there's families with children of all different kind of ages. So if someone says that winter is only for retired people, holidays, well, that's kind of not the case any longer. Jolly Roger probably is going to be the last place we will be seeing on today. And look at this, they also say cash only. Due to latest issues of people stating we've overcharged them, they've taken the decision to take out the credit card payments. Wow, that is interesting. Thank you for accompanying us on today's video on Sunday, the 12th of January here in Benidorm town. We were able to see a lot of terraces of different bars. The beach area is as busy as in the summer season practically. The sun is shining. There is some slight wind, but on the sunshine, it's just absolute glory. If you stay on the sunshine, just sitting on the terrace, probably it will feel like 23 degrees outside. What we did notice in quite a few establishments is that they do not accept card payment any longer. I don't know why, but it says that people were complaining they were getting extra charges. So they've taken the initiative to stop accepting any kind of card payments at all in these specific establishments. Thus, it is cash only from now on, as it was decades and decades ago. Thank you for accompanying us in today's video. Wish you a lovely, lovely day. This is what is expecting you if you're coming here on holidays shortly. We'll see you in a new video here on the channel. Bye, teams.